to do, as the title said, this quick $10 ponytail. Okay, and the ponytail is like $12. This is the ponytail I have. It's a drawstring ponytail, and sis, if you don't know how to do the bundles, wrap the bundles around your ponytail type thing, this is gonna save your life right here. This is very natural. This texture is very natural. Color, you can get it in different colors, but I've colored my hair. I don't want any more color at this point. I want to break. So depending on your hair texture, depending on your type of vibe, depending on you can wash your hair, blow it out so it can be straight, but water will get my hair pretty straight. So what we're gonna use today is some some Edgeboost, some Got to Be spray, if you will. If you might, it's your business. Especially if you want a hard brush, a comb, a spray bottle with your water in it. I got some water in it. Okay, and then a comb or a brush or something to comb your hair with. For me, when I wear ponytails, it's because my hair is like this and I don't feel like redoing my curls, or I've redone my curls so much I got too much product in my hair. So this is like, oh, I got something to do, oh, I need to go somewhere, oh, I need to make a video, oh, I need to do something. So this is what I do. So the first thing you're gonna do is spray your hair. If you're like me and you're starting with old wash day curly, you know, dry, make sure you just get all of this so it's just easier, so you're not tugging and pulling at your hair. So I'm gonna gather my hair. So what I'm gonna do is just brush my hair up. And to a ponytail. You see? It's looking better already. Figure out where you want your ponytail. I want mine's like kind of high, but not too high. Then I forgot to tell y'all to get some ponytail holders. I like my ponytails tight, you hear me? But be careful, because if you don't like it too tight, because you put in this, you tying your hair up. And then if your hair is longer and you need to like put this up too, you're gonna have another hair tie. And then the drawstring ponytail has combs in it, and I'll show you, so it'll grab it even more tight. So make sure your ponytail's in the middle, not to the side, unless you want a side ponytail. That's your business. So I'm going to take some of this good and just start putting it on my hand. It just really depends on your texture of hair on how much product you're gonna need to slick that thing back, okay? That's really it. And I will be doing another video, ponytail video, where I do somebody that can't put their hair in a ponytail, hair into a ponytail. So be on the lookout for that, honey. Because the people who think they can't get their hair in a ponytail, oh, I got you. I got you. Take my harder brush, and I'm going to brush it back. And I do want some baby hairs.
Oh my God, what is that? Oh my God, what is that?
I'm gonna use my Eco, and I'm just gonna put it on my joint.
Swoop, swoop, swoop.
Hairs, girl, y'all. I know my mouth all open and shit. Okay. So, and this little piece is pissing me off. I'm good at oil. Keep playing with me. We got our little is going on. If you want your baby hairs and stuff to stay really good, you can use the Gots to Be in the black tube. It's gel. You just gel it. Put it on the mic and want to marry me. Yeah, okay. Y'all, that song's been stuck in my head from TikTok and it's annoying. Alright, so with this, you can braid it, twist it, or put it in a bun.
And I can put it in a bun. And I can put it in a bun.
But I'm going to braid it. Alright, so put it in a bun. Take you another hair tie. Girl, stay. Don't play with me. But give it a good 1, 2. And there you go. That's what you're supposed to look like, sis. Y'all, I got a big head. I don't want y'all to see my head. But anyway, so this is your foundation, honey. And we're gonna get into it. Y'all, cleaning up after a video is so annoying. When you can't find no scissors, so you use nail clippers. And cut this thing right off. And don't care. And don't. Alright, so again, this is Model Drawstring Ponytail in Natural Straights, 20 inches. And this is what she looks like. You can wash it once it gets a little, you know what I'm saying? Once it gets a little, because it is, and I don't want to brush it too much, synthetic. The inside is a string, and it's like a wig cap type mesh cap. Has a comb on the top and on the bottom. You can cut the tag out if you want, but honey, it ain't gonna show for me. So what you do is stretch it out. It's up to you. You can do the top or the bottom. I just do the top first so that I know where I'm placing it. So I place it where my ponytail is. I slide it in. See, slide it in, slide it in. Then I take this, bring it around, and I put the comb in, right? I put it in. Then I pull this string tight, baby. Tight as you can take it. Pull that thing on up there. Then what you do, this is the magic part to where you can't tell nothing. Because we coming together. Take it, don't let it go. And you wrap it around the ponytail so you can't see it. You can wrap it twice, but honey, you take a piece from the back. This is the part that makes it, you know. So you take it and you wrap this piece around where like the scrunchie would be or something, and you put it in. And to secure it, you can use bobby pins, or you can spray this on it and it'll keep it still, baby. And that's literally, baby, that's it. And you don't have to have it this high. You can have it lower. And yeah. And if you want to get spiffy with it, you can get 2 of these ponytails and put 2 ponytails in your head if that's what you want. You can do anything with these type of ponytails, sis. Anyway, so that's it, guys. Quick and easy, cheap. And then you got into it. Go ahead and like the video. If you have a question, go ahead and leave it in the comments down below, and I will answer them as fast as I can. But yeah, I'll answer them and let you know all the tea, girl. I'm trying to help you out. I'm trying to help you out. This really is the easiest thing, and it's so like, you know, I got my together. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.